So hi. So now we're going to continue in the file sharing or the number 4 in the instructions or the requirement of my final um, project for operating system. So for the file sharing, we have all department or section should have one public folder read write, and domain users cannot access other department folders. Sorry. Next is a university public folder where all domains users can access or uh, read or write. Next is the installer folder containing applications that only the administrator can access. So we have other requirements here, like all folders should contain like docs, PPT, and other more. So I guess we're going to start with installing our file services. So to do that, we're going to open our web server. So inside our web server, open our local disk, and inside of our local disk, we're going to make um, three folders. So um, the academic department, the administrative department, and the information technology folder. So inside of the academic department, just create another uh like the engineering so and so forth, like what we actually did earlier. So show it. I guess it was here. Okay. So we're going to make different folders for different programs, like program for BS engineering, degree program, BET, and as well as with the administrative department. So here I already made the folders, but I don't have the other contents such as the programs and other components of the administrative department. I'll just do it later. Then for now, we're going to install the file services inside the server manager, then add the roles. So inside of it, choose server roles. So under server role, check file services, and under file services, you need to check this this right on my screen, like file server, distributed file system, DFS replication, file servers, resource manager, services for network file system, and Windows search service. So after that, we just going to click next until the installation will occur. Just check your local disk. Next, next. Check again your local disk. As far as I know, uh, install. Wait. Sorry, we're not going to check this one. Yeah. So just proceed to confirmation and install. So once we have this file services, we're going to proceed into executing the folders that are needed. Okay, so we've installed our file services, and we have our folder inside our administrative department and our academic department. is the beta programs. Agree. Okay. So let's proceed to configuring file services. So under start, choose hover over administrative tools, then file server resource manager. Then under that, uh, click Kata templates, create template, which is just name it 1 gigabytes and adjust this limit into 1 gigabyte, then hit enter. So I've already had it. So this one. Okay, so this is 1 gigabyte based on the requirement. So after that, we'll proceed into opening our server manager and then choose under file services. Excuse me. Choose share share and storage manager, I guess. Then click provision. This one, provision right here, provision share. Then browse. Then click the academic folder that we've created. So after that, next, and then check SMB and NFS. Then next, and just continue to next, next. Next, 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 next. So under my SMB permission, users and groups have customer share permission. So this is where we could configure that users cannot access other files or administrative files. So permissions, uh, let's remove the other one, then add administrative. Under object types, click computer. Check groups, uncheck user, uncheck this one. Hit OK. What is the name of your computer? I guess we don't have computer. So sorry, it took me a while, so I just add different names since I've used like BSCE, something like this one, BSIT on each computer name, so I need to add it multiple times. So that's why it took me a lot of time. Anyway, next we need to check or allow this change. Then okay. next. Sorry. Next. Yes, okay. By quota. For the limit, we're going to use our template 1 gigabyte since that is the requirement. Then click next, 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 next. So I excuse me. I just need to actually close. And the next one is we're going to use administrative computer. So need to browse administrative department. Okay. Then next. Check this one again. So click permission. I'm going to remove. Then add the computer names for all of the administration. So like what I've said, I've used like the first here as far as I know. I think I had this one. Okay. Maybe this one. Wait. I forgot. Wait. Let's try other. This one. Forgot the computer name. Wait. Okay, so let's try adding records. Don't know why. Why? Oh, okay. I forgot to actually use the computer. So cancel permissions. Object types. Let's just use computers. That's why it can't detect the name. Okay. research. So need to remove this one. Human resource. Finance. Supply. Library. Okay. So I've now completed all of the computers inside the administrative. So let's proceed to checking the change. Click apply, then okay. I think I forgot to click apply. Hmm. Let me just redo this academic department. I think I forgot to apply something. So let me cut. What I have here is the university folder, which is could be accessed by the administrator. So right now I'm assigning the administrator to that could access the university folder. So click change, then apply, then allow, then next, next, next. By quota, 1 GB quota. Next, 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 next. Great. Okay. So a while ago I've only added these two, like academic and administrator, but now I've added other folders inside the administrative and both program or academic folders. So the bachelor's degree, the and other more like the other courses, BSME, BSIT. Then I recently added university folder, which could be accessed by the administrator, and now I'm going to configure the installer folder. And it says here that the installer folder containing applications can only access by the administrator. Let's find the installer folder. Choose. Next. Next. SMB. NFS. Next. Next. This permission says that I should only use administrator. Admin. Oh my bad. Wait. Sorry. Click apply. Okay. Next. May quota. Gigabytes. Apply. Create. Okay, so I guess I forgot to create a university folder to be where all the main user can access. So I guess we're going to redo the university folder. Stop sharing. Yes. University folder. Stop sharing. Yes. So permission share. Choose university folder. Okay. Next. Next. SMB. NFS. Next. Change and read. Everyone. Apply. Okay. Next. Next. Quota 1K. 1 gigabytes. My bad. Next. Close. So it says that all folders would contain PPT docs, so on and so forth. So let's go with the file server. File screen template. Create file screen template. Let's add like office documents. Okay, let's just check all of the checkboxes that is available. Web page. Then hit OK. Enter. Map should folder via workstation. Correction, like under file, wait, Under file service, let's uh, open file screening templates. So I've changed office files and I didn't check all. Like I will leave office files to be unchecked. And let's add another file which is uh, computer engineering. So it says here that I could check everything except executable files. So okay. So computer engineering folder should contain all files except executable files. So I think I've done all of it. Like I've already mapped and shared the folder to each client workstation. So that's all for uh, file sharing or my part 4. Let's now proceed to the next part, which is the step 5 or the requirement number 5.